Have you ever believed investing was only for wealthy people with thousands of dollars ready to risk in the stock market? That idea has stopped millions of beginners from building financial freedom, but today everything has changed. Right now, you can begin investing with as little as $1 single, and that small step could completely transform your future over time. Micro-investing platforms are removing the traditional barriers that once made investing feel complicated, intimidating, and impossible for ordinary people. Instead of waiting years to save a huge amount of money, beginners can now start immediately by buying tiny portions of expensive stocks through something called fractional shares. This means you no longer need hundreds of dollars to invest in major companies because you only purchase a small piece of a share based on the amount you can afford. Imagine owning part of companies you use every day while spending less money than a cup of coffee. The real power comes from consistency because even tiny investments made regularly can grow steadily through compound growth over the years. Most people delay investing because they think small amounts do not matter, but that belief quietly keeps them financially stuck forever. The most surprising part about micro-investing is how simple the process actually is once you understand the basics. Many platforms are designed specifically for beginners, which means you can create an account in minutes, connect your bank card, and begin investing automatically without needing expert financial knowledge. Some apps even round up your everyday purchases and invest the spare change for you, turning ordinary spending habits into long-term financial growth. At first, the progress may seem slow, and this is where most people lose patience and quit too early. What they fail to realize is that investing is not about becoming rich overnight. The real secret is allowing time and consistency to work together quietly in the background. However, there is something many beginners never expect when they first start investing tiny amounts. After several months of consistent investing, they suddenly notice a major shift in their mindset. Instead of wasting money impulsively, they become more aware of how money can grow and create opportunities. That emotional transformation often becomes more valuable than the profits themselves. Yet there is still one critical mistake that destroys countless beginner investors before they ever see meaningful results, and avoiding it could completely change your financial future forever. The biggest mistake beginner investors make is constantly chasing fast profits, and reacting emotionally every time the market moves up or down. Many people start with excitement, invest a few dollars, then panic during small market drops and quit before giving their investments enough time to grow. Successful investing is not about perfect timing or finding magical stocks that explode overnight. It is about building discipline, staying consistent, and understanding that small actions repeated over many years can create extraordinary results. The good news is that micro-investing makes this process easier because it allows beginners to learn with very little risk while developing healthy financial habits step by step. Even investing $1 every day can build momentum and confidence over time. The important thing is starting now instead of waiting for the perfect moment, or a bigger paycheck that may never come. Every experienced investor once started as a complete beginner with uncertainty and fear, but the people who succeed are the ones who take action despite those fears. Your financial future can begin changing today with one simple decision and one small investment. If you are benefiting from our topics, please subscribe, like, and turn on the bell notification so you can see our new videos early.